Ever wanted your AI chats to be smarter and faster? Here's how to set up Janitor AI with DeepSeek in just 60 seconds. Step 1. Grab your OpenRouter API key. Go to openrouter.ai, sign up for a free account, and find API keys in your settings. Hit Generate, copy that shiny new key, and stash it somewhere safe. You'll only see it once. Step 2. Pick your DeepSeek model. On OpenRouter, search for DeepSeek. For freebies, try DeepSeek/DeepSeek R1 free. Copy the full model name. Step 3. Let's connect it all in Janitor AI. Open a chat, find API settings, look for the 3 dots, and select Proxy. Pick Custom and paste in the model name, the API URL, https://openrouter.ai/ap/v1/chat/completions, and your API key. Save it. Almost done. Say yes to any pop-ups, refresh the page, and check your API connection. Green box? You're golden. Congrats, AI Pro, you're chatting with DeepSeek.